Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech on Demand. If you're new here, my name is Brian, and I make tutorials that help you become a better programmer. In today's video, we're going to learn how to link a button to open another JFrame in Java using the NetBeans IDE. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and super useful for building real-world applications. Let's get started. Alright, the first thing we need to do is create a new Java project in NetBeans. Go to New Project. Choose Java Application, click Next. Name it My Project or anything, then click Finish. Now let's create the first JFrame, which will contain the button. Right-click on the source package's New JFrame form. Name it First Frame, click Finish. Design your form using the palette. Drag and drop a label from the palette to the form. Change the text to something like Frame 1. Now drag and drop a J button from the palette to the form. Change the text to something like Go to Frame 2. Now let's create the second JFrame that will open when the button is clicked. Right-click the source package again, New JFrame form. Name it SecondFrame, click Finish. Add a J label saying, "This is the second frame." Just for demo purposes, drag and drop a J button from the palette to the form. Change the text to something like Go Back. This button will open our first frame. Time to link the button to open the new window. Go back to FirstFrame.java, double-click the button, then type. Second frame second equals new second frame. Second.set visible true. That's it. This code creates an instance of the SecondFrame class and makes it visible when the button is clicked. Copy this code and go to SecondFrame and double-click Go Back button and paste the code removes SecondFrame, second, and replace with FirstFrame and first. Let's test it out. Right-click on FirstFrame.java and click Run File. And there you go. Clicking the button successfully opens a new JFrame window. So that's how you link a button to another JFrame in Java using NetBeans. It's a small but powerful step when building desktop applications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a tutorial. Drop a comment if you have questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching and happy coding!